Hey guys, Dr. Keen. I just wanted to make sure that you were clear on how to log into this program. This is Paxton Patterson, and this is a program that we'll use periodically throughout health science theory this year. I just want to make sure that you are logged in and you have an account, so when we need to use it, then we have access to it. So here's the instructions of the assignment, but I'm just going to take you step by step so I know that you know where you're going. So you're just going to click this. Go to this website right here, the lms.paxpat.com, and it'll take you right here. And if you already have used this program before, you may have a login already. So if you do, then just go ahead and log in. If not, then you're going to click Create, and you're going to put in an email. Please use your school email, which is your first and last initial, your student ID, at students.lcisd.org, and then you're going to create a password, something that you're going to remember. There may be times that we don't use this program for a little while, and then we try and use it, and you got to try and create a password that you're going to remember, or that you can put in your phone, or something that you can remember. So you put that in, whatever that is, and you click Create, and it's going to take you to this page. It's going to ask for your name. Please put your last name first, first name last. So if it was me, I'd be like that. Okay? And then you put your email, which is the exact same one that you put in the last screen. And then you put in your product code. Product code is in here in the instructions. If you're in second period, here it is. If you're in fifth period, here it is. You put that in there, and then you click Start Learning, and you are good to go.